Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy the content. Please consider subscribing. In today's video I will be assembling the carriages for the carronades. These are not supplied with the kit only provides cannons, but the ship would have 10 carronades, so I've purchased these, just the carriages from HIS models. I start by removing the side parts from the panels. I already did a test fit and I know that these slots need to be widened a bit, so I try to widen them while they are still on the panel. Dry fitting to make sure that everything is okay, and I repeat the process for all the carronades. While holding the carronade into the carriage to make sure that I have the correct spacing between the side panels, I apply a bit of glue underneath on all the carriages. This piece also needs a bit of sanding before it fits into place. Once I made sure it fits, I apply a couple of drops of glue and glue it in place. And once again, I repeat it for all the carronades. Now I'm staining the wood with dark oak stain, as usual. I'm now applying a coat of matte varnish on all the 10 carriages. After the varnish has dried, I apply a layer of chipping fluid. And I'm now airbrushing red to paint the carriages. Always a thin layer of paint, it helps to chip better. Now with the brush dipped in water, I like to use water from cleaning the brushes. It's dirty water, it helps give a dirty look to whatever you are chipping. It should be a brush with hard bristles, and depending on how dry the paint is, how thick the layer was, and how thick the layer of the chipping fluid, it might be easier or harder to do the chipping effects. The longer it stays with water, the easier it will chip. That's why as I go more, I tend to soak the ones that are getting more dry to make it easier for the chipping process. Now for the wheels of the carriages, there's two options of wheels. I'm going with the small ones, mostly because of the height. because the carronades I have are a bit oversized for the scale, so keeping the carriage a bit lower will help the carronade be at the right height. Now I'm painting the wheels with matte black. This is the final look of the carriages at this point. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, please consider subscribing.